all of you are doing great. Now, NFTs can potentially solve the problem of the diamond certification fraud. Now, this diamond industry, like if you try to understand, when we are talking about something that should be related at the mass level, that should be impacting the world at a mass level, and probably it has to be related with the crypto, NFTs, and the metaverse and its mass adoption. The diamond, every household, every other relationship we are talking in the world has become one of the human need, in fact, and at such a mass level that probably literally this is a universal kind of a language, and it is bought and sold, one of the biggest industry out there in the world. But lately the problem that had occurred, and in fact not just lately, from a long period of time, that the certificates that were issued for the diamond, okay, this diamond is of XYZ kind, right? There was no way to verify it, like when it was originated and then from where it has been carried forward. And then came the point that, okay, some of the institutions like GIA actually are going to give the diamond certificate to ensure that basically there is a immutability, transparency, and proof of ownership, right? But then they came the case even that this one, Gemological Institute of America, GIA, even they took some sort of bribe in order to misrepresent the thing as per in accordance with the person who was giving the bribe. So where do you go for trust? So the point here is it was not killing the industry, but it was causing a major problem in the world related with the diamond, and NFT is going to instantly solve it. Why? The NFT is basically the proof written onto the blockchain. So the first transaction that has occurred between, let's say, the manufacturer and the first person who bought the diamond, basically the certificate was issued in the form of NFT. Now this is a proof written on the blockchain, which is irreversible, irreplaceable, right? Non-erasable. And when the proof is written onto the blockchain, there is no way that you can manipulate it, right? And when you have that NFT, this is the proof, like you're selling it as an NFT to the next person. The next person can be assured that this is the original piece of the respective diamond. And not just that, the second problem, probably, let's say you bought the diamond for your relationship and stuff. Somebody has given you the hard copy. How long were you able to maintain that hard copy, right? When you're trying to resell, when you're trying to, okay, I have this particular ownership and this is XYZ kind of diamond, like how long will you be? I mean, it is a tough job, right? And it has a limitation of its own. But NFT will be in proof written on the blockchain forever, and it will be in the digital form, which is like irreparable, non-rustable. And the thing here is, like, yes, definitely it is solving one of the biggest problem, as well as a lot of scandals and frauds that is literally has become an industry in itself. All these things will be able to solve. It is not just being thought upon that, okay, it can be in the form of NFT. Some of the big names are even experimenting with it, and in fact some of them are offering as an NFT, like you can have, and you pay additional $500 and you get this certificate. Apart from the physical certificate, you get this digital NFT certificate. And they did this specific survey amongst the buyers, right, amongst the retailers. Would you be comfortable with the NFT? 90% of them said that yes, we are ready to move ahead with it. I mean, guys, these are the signs. Like, if these are not the signs that some of the real world problems, like this is the diamond thing. I even mentioned one of the videos few days back related with the real estate. One of the England real estate was sold in the form of NFT, that it is going to reduce the paperwork and probably one of the most authentic version of buying and selling, right? And they have actually listed it. This is just the beginning, and this is one industry. Diamond is the second industry, right? Kevin O'Leary came up like the watches industry, the luxury watches, one of the big industry. NFTs will be able to solve it. I mean, just imagine, you name it, and all these things are based onto some underlying technology. So when we are talking, for example, Polygon, I have been consistently recommending on our channel to purchase the Polygon, to accumulate the Polygon, right? It has already risen, like from the bottom, from the previous 2020 bull market. Before that, like it was literally few cents, and from there it has already 100x'd. But even right now, we are thinking like, the kind of adoption. The Instagram is based on the Polygon NFT, like Polygon technology, and many other partnerships, the Disneys and stuff. So the underlying technologies that'll be enabling these mass adoption, because eventually the retailers, they don't have to know about the crypto, they don't have to know about the blockchain. All they know, okay, I get this digital certificate which is irreparable, like I don't need to repair it, I don't need to maintain it, it is going to remain there as a proof with me forever, right? Tamper proof. And they can pay it in their normal credit wallet, right? The normal money that they can pay, and everything will happen in between, under the surface, the blockchain, the minting, the NFTs, right? And that's what is going to enable the mass adoption. Again, guys, if you have not subscribed to our channel, please ensure that you hit the subscribe button. This channel is everything about how do we grow your finances. The goal of this channel is to provide financial freedom to all of our subscribers, and this is one of the major things, guys. The NFT mass adoption is equivalent to the crypto mass adoption. Obviously, not every crypto will be able to make it, but the one that is having the utility when day-to-day usage, we are talking the artists from the Ukraine utilizing the NFTs, like at a mass level. Instagram about to enable the marketplace for the buying and selling of the NFT. Real estate being using the NFTs to literally sell millions of dollars of property. It has already been there, like listed onto OpenSea. You can go and check it. Diamond industry are saying that this is going to be the game changer, and literally, I mean, if you try to see the early days of internet, that's what, like when the first webcam was introduced, okay, you can see the other person through the webcam and stuff, like it was a innovation kind of a thing. But nobody thought, okay, eventually there will be coming a point where people will be utilizing these webcam and chat and internet and everything for day-to-day office work, day-to-day activity. The world will be so much dependent onto it, and that's what we are seeing, the early adoption of the NFTs. Everywhere it is bringing the solution, and NFT is interrelated with the blockchain, which is interrelated with the metaverse, which is interrelated with the crypto. So all these things are part of the future. Why? Because the human beings are trying to find solution out of it. One of the major social solutions, business solutions, right? Many kind of solutions out of these technologies, and that is going to enable the mass adoption. So again, guys, I have been consistently saying, when there is a gold rush, go and sell the shovel. So when such kind of mass adoption we are able to foresee, we need to see the technologies that are going to enable these mass adoption, that will be used during these mass adoption. Those are the technologies that we need to ride the success upon. Polygon, I have been very much fond of, like one project which is not even like, let's say some of the projects are really high market cap. This is not that high market cap. Yes, $3 billion and stuff, but very secure, very usable, and literally delivering a big solution out there in the world. So why not, guys? Definitely, this is something on the line. So I hope that you found the video helpful. And again, if you would want to win one full Bitcoin, we are giving away in the lucky draw. All you have to do is just click on the link down below, sign up to the biggest exchange in the world, which is the Binance, and purchase your first crypto. That's it. You will be qualified for the lucky draw. You'll be getting the one full Bitcoin. I'll leave the link, I'll leave the video as well, quick video at the end of it. How can you win that? And yeah, that's it. That's all you have to do. And again, guys, the crypto is here to stay. NFTs are here to stay. The mass adoption is going to happen. The metaverse is going to be, whether you want to be part of it or not. And if being my audience, I would want all of you and all of us together to be in it, to be part of it. We were in it together during the rough times, tough times, bearish times. We want all of us as a family to be there during the bullish time. So I'll see all of you guys in the next video. Bye-bye. Opportunity of a lifetime to win one full Bitcoin, and not just for the one time. In fact, every time we have 1000 referral crossed, we will be doing the lucky draw, and you will be qualified every time to participate for just doing one time task. What is that one time task? All you have to do is just sign up to Binance Exchange with our referral link. The link is down below in the video description, or you can even use the QR code that you see on the screen. Deposit $100 and buy any crypto of your choice. The crypto is yours, the $100 is yours. That's it. You're qualified for the rest of your life to keep on winning one Bitcoin every time we reach 1000 referral. All you have to do after that, email to us your Binance user ID at the email abdullah@abdullahzahid.com. Every 1000 referral, we will select one random user, and you are qualified every time we cross 1000 referral, 2000 referral, 3000 referral. That means you can even win 10 Bitcoin. So all you have to do, again, I'll repeat, click the link down below in the description, or the QR code. You will be landing up at the Binance sign up page. You click on sign up with phone or email or Google, whichever way. You sign up, you deposit $100, you buy any crypto of your choice, and then just email your user ID to our email address. Where do you find your user ID? This is your dashboard. You click on profile and you click on dashboard. The moment you click, you will find at the screen your user ID, and you just have to email to us. All the best for your lucky draw.